Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today attended the inaugural session of the 3 days national seminar on Interface with Award-winning Kvks, Building of Success at College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences, Central Agricultural University, Umiam. While addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister said that the program, which was being held for the first time in the country, is simple yet important, that it recognizes the work of the Kvks. Besides acknowledging the services of Kvk scientists, it gives an opportunity to be able to share the best practices that are happening in different Kvks throughout the country, especially in the Northeast, for the ultimate benefit of the farmers. He also said that the farmers have always been the core focus of the government of Meghalaya.
And it's such a simple but yet such a important aspect, which is really to recognize the good work that's happening, give a pat on the back to those who are doing better compared to others, and more importantly, to be able to share the best practices that are happening in different KVKs throughout the country, and especially in the Northeast.